What's up, everybody? Welcome back to SimplePlanes. Today we're going to be doing the landing challenge with all the Boeing planes again, but this time we're going to be doing it in stormy conditions with a 45-degree, 65-mile-an-hour crosswind, and we're going to have to crab all these planes. So we're going to see how can we land the aircraft, but crabbing. If you don't know what crabbing is, you're definitely not too big of an AV geek. So. I'll make sure to leave a description or the definition of crabbing down in the description, so if you don't know what it means, you can go read up on it in the description. I'm not the kind of person to discriminate, so I'm not going to shame you for not knowing what that is, because I also didn't know what that is for quite a while. So first off, we have the 717. Unfortunately, there are no 707 models that actually do work, so we're stuck with the 717. That's a widely known. I've realized that mistake since my first video, and I can't find a 707 model anywhere that actually works. So we're stuck with the 717 here. Let's just pull it in. Oh, Jesus Christ. Give him some power here. Jesus Christ. Let's get him some flaps here. Oh. We're floating, we're floating, we're floating. Come on, go down. Go down, dude. Go down. Okay, that's a little too much. Oh, Jesus Christ. Holy. We're going around on this attempt. We're going to immediately pull the flaps and go for like a 15-degree. Oh, maybe this way. Yeah, I think we're crabbing this way. I think this is how we crab here. Maybe a little more power. Maybe a bit less power. Jesus Christ, I did not know landing in crosswind is this difficult. I did not know landing in crosswind is gonna be this flippin' difficult, dude. Come on, pull up, pull up. Come on. And as always, I will not be cutting any attempts, so no plane gets an unfair advantage. We'll be seeing which plane can land a lot easier in crosswind conditions. We can kill the engine. See if we can glide this plane from now. Oh, a little too low. Jesus Christ. Alright, this is our fourth attempt. We're going to see which plane lands the easiest in crosswind conditions. So far, the 717 does not look too good right now. This is the fourth attempt. Let's raise the flaps. Oh, this one might be it. This one might be it. Come on, bring her back. Bring her back to center line. Lift, 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 lift. Ooh, a little tough. Ooh, I'm not counting that. I'm not counting that. That was really hard. Thank you. Crab like this. I think it's with most aircraft. Oh, come on. Come on. Lift, baby, lift. Lift, baby, lift. Oh, come on, baby, lift. Ah, yes, lift, baby. Come on. Oh, too much, baby. Too much. Come on, go down. Oh, no, you can do it. Come on. Oh my god. 717 is impossible to land. What if I just spam the throttle? And I just force it down? I'm just gonna maximize throttle. Come on. Get over here. I think that's the closest we're gonna get to an actual landing from the 717. I think that's the closest we're gonna get. That took a while, so I think that was 6 attempts. Hopefully the 727 isn't as bad. Oh jeez. Oh, lift. We need that lift. Oh, we need more lift. Need some more lift. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Some lift, baby. Oh, this one's a lot more controlled. Oh, but it is floating off course. Oh, and it's dropping. Holy crap. Come on, pull up for me. Pull up for me. Thank you. Oh, that's a little too much. Okay, I have to get used to each of these aircrafts. Okay, let's pull that, pull, and pull this. Let's do landing, throttle. We're gonna try and grab this thing. We always have a supply of lift now because the engines are running, so I guess that's a good safety barrier. Come on, a little more. Okay, pull up. Whoa. That was close. That was really close. I have to turn off the wind as soon as we land, so it doesn't blow the plane off the end of the track. But that was probably on me, so we're not going to count that attempt at all. That was probably on me because I didn't turn off the wind. I know the wind still blows when you're on the ground, but the wind just blows all the aircraft off the runway, which it doesn't happen in real life. So the best way is to turn off the wind, I guess. So, ooh. Come on. Okay. Come on. Oh, level, got it. And then we're just gonna go over here, wind settings, and none. Oh god. I'm gonna count that as a win because I was a little late on my wind changing skills. So I'm gonna count that. I'm gonna say it took 3 attempts for the 727. I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna leave the wind settings now. I did not know that it will resume even though the wind settings is up there. So I'm gonna leave the wind settings up there for now. But I think the 727 did okay. That was 3 attempts. Now it's the 737's turn. Let's see. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Make the gust. Oh, this is flying so much more balanced. Look at that. I don't know if we're actually going 65, so you're gonna have to comment down below. Oh, jeez. No, not that fast. You're gonna have to comment below whether I'm going 65 or not, because I can't see. My recording software is blocking the view, so I got to, yeah. Come on, you stupid 737. Get on the runway. And then we just kill the power. Ooh, one attempt. That is pretty good. That is one attempt. That is fairly good. You guys have to put the ratings in the comments below. How would you rate each landing? I know the first two might get a pretty low ratings because they went off the runway, but that was on me not switching the time correctly, the wind settings, everything correctly, so don't take off too much for that, because that's on me and not the aircraft itself. But now we're going to go with the Queen of the Skies here. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, and we need some gusts. Okay. Some engine power. We need some of that. We need some of that engine power. Come on here, baby. Come on. A little bit more flaps. Set these. Oh, jeez. Should float. Never mind, you should be floating. And then drop it a little bit. Ooh. Hardly anyone going around. Plop those down. This down. Come on. Come on, land, baby, land. Ooh, engine strike, that's not good. Ooh, we bounced a little bit. That's above 10, that's under 10 feet. Ooh. That was probably the bit. Ah. What the hell is going on here? One of our wheels is lifted up into the air. But I'm gonna count that as a win in my book. Excuse me. Now, this one was the troublemaker last time. So. Oh yeah, we need to increase the gust mode. Okay. Oh. Holy crap. Holy Jesus Christ. What the hell? Oh my. Holy Jesus. Okay. We're definitely going around on that. Move that slightly down. Increase thrust maybe halfway. This thing is rolling around like a golf ball. Nah, I'm not counting that. I ain't counting that, bruh. Oh, flies decently well in this configuration. A couple of adjustments here. Increase some thrust here. Lift up a little bit. Come on, lift up, lift up. Okay. Brake. Ooh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Come on. Excuse me. No, I'm not counting that. But that one was pretty good, though. Pull up to 35. He was actually making pretty good time. Just gonna aim for it to push down. A little more. Oh, jeez. That's the closest we're gonna get to ever landing this plane. So we're gonna have to deal with it. I thought I got a better hang of it. I most definitely did not. But that's the best we're gonna ever get out of this plane. It's always been a pain in the ass to fly. But yeah, let's try this one. I love the 767 for how it flew. Oh god. Oh yeah, right. Landing settings. I could also go for captain view for this one, but I'm gonna keep trying to keep this view here. Up a little more lift here. Oop. That way some more. And we can just. Oh shoot! I forgot to turn off the gust. Yeah, well, the plane was supposed to stay on the runway as soon as I touched the ground, but I didn't manage to do that correctly. So that was on me, not the plane. So yeah, I'm gonna say this only took one try, because that was mainly me on the wind part and not the plane's fault. Next up is the 777-200 ER. This one, oh, yep, gust, oh, that's a little too much. Lift that one and lift that one. Maybe not. 235. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this 777 is pretty good. Flies fairly well too. I'm gonna try cutting the wind a couple minutes, couple seconds before touch. Okay, that was a terrible mistake. Yeah, that was a terrible mistake. I ain't doing that. Now let's try it here. How about right now? Now we cut the power. Ooh, jeez. First one actually managed to keep on the runway. But yeah, that's 2 tries. For the 777. Now is the last contestant, the Dreamliner. You've seen me fly with it once. It was not the best model airplane, but I'm gonna lift over there. Full on lift kit. We need a ton of power. Tons of power here. Maybe a little less. But it is flying pretty well in this configuration. Maybe slightly less. Because we are banking actually 70 is probably the golden number for this aircraft. I think that 787 is doing pretty well grabbing. Ooh. Turn off the gust. Ooh. Use the rudder. Damn! That's pretty good. I managed to get the gust just right to cut the power. This thing landed pretty smoothly. I think it landed, although it landed on its nose gear, I think, but I think it was alright. Well, guys, this is pretty much it. I know we had a bunch of fails in this episode, and all the final landings weren't pretty at all, but I'm no pilot, and crosswind landings are hard, dude. If you want to attempt this, go download SimplePlanes now and try this, because it's kind of hard. But anyways, guys, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.